A star is born, Earth's fiery beginnings. Picture this, 4.5 billion years ago. Our solar system was just a swirling cloud of dust and gas, a cosmic dance of particles attracting and colliding. Gravity, the ultimate matchmaker, pulled everything together, creating a star at the center, our very own sun. Leftover material, like crumbs after a feast, clumped together to form the planets. And that, my friends, is where our Earth story begins. Earth, in its infancy, was a hot, molten mess. Imagine a giant ball of magma, glowing red-hot, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. Not exactly a vacation destination. But from this chaotic crucible, a planet was forged. As Earth cooled, a thin crust formed on the surface, the first step towards a solid planet. It was a turbulent time, but even then the seeds of life were being sown. Little did Earth know what wonders awaited in the billions of years to come.
Now let's talk about our faithful companion, the Moon. No, it wasn't formed from a chunk of cheese, as some bedtime stories might suggest. The Moon has a more dramatic origin story. Imagine a young Earth still finding its planetary feet when a Mars-sized object named Theia crashed into it. The impact was colossal, sending debris hurtling into space. This debris, bound by gravity, eventually coalesced to form the Moon. The Moon's arrival had a profound impact on Earth. Its gravitational pull stabilized Earth's rotation, creating the regular seasons we depend on. The tides influenced by the Moon played a crucial role in the development of life. So next time you gaze at the Moon, remember its explosive birth and the profound influence it has had on our planet.
From fire to water, a planetary makeover. As Earth cooled further, volcanoes erupted, spewing out gases from the planet's interior. These gases, including water vapor, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen, formed the early atmosphere, a toxic mix compared to the air we breathe today. But here's where things get interesting. As Earth continued to cool, the water vapor in the atmosphere condensed and fell as rain. And we're not talking about a light drizzle here. Imagine torrential downpours that lasted for millennia, filling the planet's basins to create the first oceans. This dramatic transformation from a fiery inferno to a water world set the stage for life to emerge.
Life finds a way, the first pioneers. About 3.8 billion years ago, in the depths of these primordial oceans, something extraordinary happened. The building blocks of life, simple organic molecules, came together to form the first single-celled organisms. These were not your complex, Instagram-worthy life forms. They were basic, microscopic entities, but they represented a pivotal moment in Earth's history. These early life forms were incredibly resilient, surviving in harsh environments with little oxygen. They were the pioneers of life, paving the way for the incredible diversity of organisms that would eventually populate our planet. Life, once it took hold, was on an unstoppable course of evolution and diversification. Section 5. Explosion of life, the Cambrian Party. Fast forward to about 540 million years ago, a period known as the Cambrian explosion. It was like someone threw a cosmic party, and all life forms were invited. In a relatively short time, geologically speaking, a dazzling array of new and complex creatures evolved. From trilobites with their segmented bodies, to bizarre creatures like Opabinia with its 5 eyes and a grasping proboscis, the Cambrian Ocean was a sight to behold. This period marked a turning point in the history of life, establishing the blueprints for many of the animal groups we see today. The tree of life was branching out in spectacular fashion.
Section 6. The reign of giants dinosaurs take over. Now, let's fast forward again to the Mesozoic era, the age of the dinosaurs. These magnificent creatures ruled the Earth for over 180 million years, evolving into a staggering variety of shapes and sizes. From the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex, the king of the Cretaceous period, to the gentle giants like Brachiosaurus, dinosaurs dominated the land. They soared through the skies with wings as wide as buses and swam in the oceans, their massive jaws inspiring awe and terror. The earth trembled under their feet.
Section 7. Cosmic Wipeout. Farewell to the dinosaurs. But even giants can fall. About 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid, estimated to be about 6 miles wide, slammed into Earth near the Yucatan Peninsula in what is now Mexico. The impact triggered catastrophic events: tsunamis, wildfires, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions. Dust and debris choked the atmosphere, blocking out the sun and plunging the planet into darkness. This cataclysmic event marked the end of the dinosaurs' reign, wiping out these magnificent creatures that had ruled the Earth for so long. But from the ashes of this destruction, new opportunities arose for other creatures waiting in the wings.
Section 8. Mammalian Rise, Our Time to Shine. In the aftermath of the extinction event, mammals, who had been living in the shadows of the dinosaurs, finally got their chance to shine. These small, furry creatures were adaptable and resourceful. They diversified rapidly, taking advantage of the ecological niches left vacant by the dinosaurs. From these humble beginnings, mammals evolved into the incredible diversity we see today, from whales that roam the oceans to bats that echolocate in the night sky. Our own ancestors, early primates, were also part of this mammalian diversification. They climbed trees, developed social structures, and laid the groundwork for the emergence of humankind. Section 9. Enter Homo Sapiens, the thinking and sometimes clumsy ape. And now we arrive at our own species, Homo Sapiens, the thinking ape. We emerged on the African savanna about 300,000 years ago, endowed with large brains, an insatiable curiosity, and a knack for innovation. We developed language, art, music, and complex tools, becoming the dominant species on the planet. Our journey has been marked by both brilliance and blunder. We've built civilizations, explored the furthest reaches of our planet, and even ventured into space. But we've also waged wars, exploited resources, and altered the environment, often to our detriment.
Section 10. A future to shape Earth's legacy in our hands. As we stand here, billions of years after Earth's fiery birth, we face a crucial juncture. We are the inheritors of an incredible legacy, a planet teeming with life, shaped by cosmic events and the slow, steady hand of evolution. But we are also the caretakers of its future. The choices we make today, how we address climate change, conserve biodiversity, and utilize resources will determine the fate of our planet and all its inhabitants. Earth's epic journey is far from over, and as its newest storytellers, we have a responsibility to ensure that the next chapter is one of sustainability, harmony, and a shared commitment to preserving this pale blue dot, our only home for generations to come.